what you're thinking, but this is all mine, not for you. I'm too good for you. Yes. So if you guys want to experience nature without electric or television, look at my ad. It's called Michael's Out of Nowhere Couch. Yeah. This is me at home. I'm at home right now. Yes. 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 Uh-huh. So, can't have this, yeah. Can't have it at all. Can't have it at all. What the heckin' bullfrog? What the heckin' bullfrog is that? Do you know? It's like a tangerine with a face. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm having a bad day already. So, this is very bad. A tangerine just like popped up with a face. Like a real face. A real tangerine with a real face. That's so weird. So, I'm having a bad day already. My head hurts. Head hurts! Hurts! Yeah, so I hope that... What the heckin' bullfrog? First a stupid tangerine with a face. And now a stove? Like really? 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 Really?